Kajang manen. Kajang manen. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is kajang. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about kajang. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 359. Gajang. Gajang. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, second syllable is jang. Pronounce it with me. Gajang. Gajang. The word gajang is used to say most, as in the superlative degree of comparison. Again, gajang means most. How do we write gajang in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ga, we need to draw first a gyok character followed by an a character. For the second syllable jang, we need to draw first a jiat character followed by an a character. And it is followed by an iyong character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word gajang. So to know more about this word, let's look at this example. It says, most numerous. Again, most numerous. The Korean translation of that example is gajang manen. Again, it's gajang manen. So if we will look into the details of the Korean translation, gajang is actually a word for today, and it means most, as in the superlative degree of comparison. And manen means numerous or many. So when we say gajang manen, it means most numerous or the most in terms of number. So, looking back to this, which just flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of gajang manen is most numerous. And with that, you've just learned gajang. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 349 to 358. But don't forget our word for today, word number 359, gajang, which means most. The first word for our review is word number 358, sowon, which means wish. The next word for our review is word number 357, mare, which means say it or tell me. Next word is bam, which means night. Next word is hwajangji, which means tissue paper. Next word is amudo, which means no one or nobody. Next word is onjena, which means every time or always. Next word is modern, which means all. Next word is mokja, which means let's eat. Next word is Dae-Hangul, which means that's a relief. And the last word for our review is word number 349, marepa, which means try saying it. Congrats! You've just learned another Korean word today. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.